Hello guys, so if you're looking to contact Lloyd Bank online service, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now all you have to do is just simply go to a browser and search for Lloyd Bank, then open the first link. Now if you want to log in, you can log in, but for contacting Lloyd Bank it is not completely necessary. So all you have to do is just simply scroll down, and over here in help and guidance you will find the option for contact us. Just simply click on that. Now it will redirect you to a page where you can contact them. So all you have to do is just simply click on the drop box over here, choose your problem, like let's say fraud. So after choosing that, you will have all the necessary information to contact the fraud department of Lloyd Bank, like their contact info. So as you can see, this is the contact information for the fraud department of Lloyd Bank. And if you want to contact any other department, let me show you. So for example, if you want to contact them for some statement issue, click on statement, and over here you will have the contact info and all the necessary information regarding the statement issue that you are facing. And if there is any other problem, like if you are facing any problem with your mobile banking app, click on it, and over there again you will have the contact info for your mobile banking app, and just like that you will have the contact info for the mobile banking app branch, which will help you with the mobile app that you are facing. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.